Hello gorgeous, today I'm sharing 3 secrets that no one tells you about a booty jiggle. Let's go. Number 1, make sure to hang a little bit in your lower back. So don't try to rotate your pelvis under, but just let it go just a tiny little bit. It will make it easier to jiggle. It will make sure that there's no tension on your glutes, and if there still is tension on your glutes, you can hang a little bit, you can squeeze and jiggle them a little bit just to make sure that your glutes are nice and loose, and then you start to jiggle. Number 2, for some people it's easier to come on their tippy toes just a tiny little bit, or make sure that your weight is on your toes just a tiny little bit before you start jiggling, to make sure that there's no tension again on your glutes, because the more tension you have on your glutes, the harder it is. To practice this, you can also hold on to something, or to a wall, or to a mirror, or to whatever. If you're in a ballet studio, you can hold on to a bar. Twerking in a ballet studio, love it. And then number 3, the thing that most people don't talk about, it is easier when you have more junk in your trunk. If you have not as much fat or a lot of muscle rather than fat, it's harder to jiggle. And you have to focus more on making sure that the momentum is there, to make sure that the flesh actually jiggles. If you have a nice and juicy bum, then just one hit to the side will make sure that it jiggles already. If you have a little bit of a tinier bum, you'll have to focus more on your technique. I will link a video where I describe the technique in the description if you want to go over that again. I hope these 3 little secrets helped for you to improve your jiggle. Bye, see you next time.